loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Naya. If you're new, a very big welcome to you. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how I decorated my little sister's birthday cake. This cake was actually for a shoot, so the things I'll be needing here are strawberry, grapes, chocolate and Oreo. So just so you know, I'm not a professional. This is the first time I'm doing this, so just let's see how everything turned out. So the first thing I did was to go ahead to melt the chocolate. So I put a pot of water on the fire, and then in with a bowl, and then added all the chocolate. I made use of the 2 packs of chocolate, and guys, this ended up wasting at the end because I only used a little out of the chocolate. But anyways, so this was very difficult to melt. It took so much time to do, and I was afraid if I just went in with the chocolate into the pot, it was going to get burnt. That's why I decided to do it this way. But at the end, I still had to, just pour the chocolate into the pot so everything will come out faster. So this is it. I just decided to just go in with the chocolate and make sure, just to be careful, it doesn't get burnt. So next, I washed all the fruits with salt. Of course, it's really important to wash your fruit, especially strawberries and grape, in salt water. So next, pouring it into this piping bag. I don't know if this is a piping bag. If it's not, please correct me. And now I'm trying to decorate this. Like I said, this is my first time doing this, and what I wanted was this drippy, this drippy effect. And yes, this is how I am just going in with the chocolate and just doing it at the edge, and yeah, you can see it. So now, after going around with chocolate, I decided to just do this zigzaggy look on the top. Next, now I'm going in with the Oreos, and I'm just freestyling it. First the Oreos, then dipped the strawberry into the chocolate, and I just did my thing. I just freestyled it. I just wanted a very, really nice looking, attractive birthday cake. And yeah, so the last thing I'm doing now is just cutting up some fruit and adding it at the bottom to add some finishing touches. I don't know. So now here is the final product, guys. I think I'm happy with the way this came out because this is my first time, and I think I did well. So you guys should let me know what you think. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do so, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.